Okay, I invite you today to enter a meditation, and this meditation is about self-expression. The contemplation is, as I am, I'm constantly expressing something. Even when I don't express something, I'm expressing. So it's a study of your energetic state and what is this energetic expressing. So the meditation I want you to undertake for an hour or so is to truly pay attention to what am I expressing, and most often this expression happens unconsciously. And the way you understand expression is like how this water is flowing, is where you are flowing towards. One of the issues with humanity is they are not conscious of where they are flowing consciously. So they flow very unconsciously. I run with thoughts with mind without an awareness of where I'm flowing. Thus, I'm not aware where exactly this energy is going, thinking my thought is what is going to create some reality that I want to experience. So the meditation is to sit for 40 minutes would be good, in which you pay attention to your expression. What are you expressing? Where is your energy flowing towards? It's hard to comprehend in the beginning, but eventually you will get it. There is an inner flow of energy flowing for everyone. And this flowing is choosing a direction of expression. It is choosing the right manifestation for itself to come into being. So you are going to understand the energetic expression that you live by, actually what shapes your reality. And in order to understand this, it is good if you start the meditation with some deep celebration. In that celebration, actually what happens in moments of celebration is you are participating with what you are expressing. You get connected to that energy, and for a moment you live masterfully as how you choose to express that energy, which is what the true definition of celebration is. So what I'm inviting you after that celebration to sit and to consciously see, what am I expressing? Many times thoughts are a byproduct of a reaction to the expression. So your expression is moving towards sadness, then you start thinking about being happy. Your expression is moving towards being alone, then you start thinking about being together. This disconnect, this schizophrenic state must end. So I'm inviting you to find out what you're expressing. Truly try to understand this word. What am I expressing? My default setting, most people's default setting is as though they are not expressing anything. And this is the lie that has to be broken. Your energy is flowing somewhere. It cannot not be flowing. A still energy is not energy at all. The nature of energy, it is flowing. And most often it's flowing to prove or disprove some reality. So I would like you to, after the celebration, to sit 20-30 minutes and to actually pay attention, where is this energy, which is actually where am I flowing towards, and to regain mastery over it. Slowly you realize you can choose where you want to flow. In the deeper expression, the choiceless flow that you must live out can be said to. And many times, if not every time, when you touch this, you will flow to celebration. You will flow towards the completion of you. You will flow towards your enlightenment. Remember, the nature of the energy is to flow through its peak. Participating with that energy, inevitably, you will recognize this truth called enlightenment. When the energy has actually actualized itself, like how this river, Fraser River, we are in Fraser River now, in a beautiful valley, Fraser Valley, eventually will reach the ocean. It will eventually merge with the ocean. So the energetic of you that is expressing, when it's expressed consciously without fighting it, inevitably leads to this truth of the awakening and the completion of you. But for today, as a beginning meditation, I would like you to pay attention. What am I expressing? I say I want to be happy, but I'm expressing sadness. I say I want to be loved, I'm expressing aloneness. My faith, when human beings truly understand what they are expressing, you inevitably come to see all of them are expressing love. Love is that expression. But to understand love directly is very confusing. So pay attention to what am I expressing. And if you can, at the end of the meditation, go into this enormous celebration. Explode. That explosion is giving the permission for you to flow rightly. Where is that you are destined to flow? This word is dangerous, destined. You will come to it, which is the choiceless. But for now, simply pay attention to what you are expressing. Where is your energy flowing? You see, if I say I love you, in my case I mean it. I'm just declaring to you where my energy is flowing. I'm not asking you to love. It's not my want to love, it's where my energy is flowing. That very directing of that energy is love, the way I see it. Okay? Like today, a few of us are out here in the Daily River, fishing, and expressing comradeship, expressing this togetherness. This fishing is an excuse just to come together and have a good time, to be in this valley, to enjoy this nature. Well, give it a try. Your meditation is what is that you have been expressing.